Hi everyone. Are you stuck on how to write the perfect introduction in ethics answers? So here's the ideal strategy to make a lasting impression. And for us, this ideal stands for issue-based definition, data, example, anecdote, and link to current affairs. Let's break it down with examples. Let us suppose we have a question. What do you understand by probity in public life? In such questions, issue-based definition is a very good way to introduce the answer. For example, we can start with probity refers to adherence to the highest principle of integrity and honesty in personal and public conduct. Simple, clear, and direct introduction. Now let us suppose the question is, corruption undermines ethical governance. Discuss. In such questions, it is advisable that if you have access to data or fact, it can be a very effective way of introducing the answer. For example, in this question, we can start with, according to Transparency International's Corruption Perception Index 2023, India ranked 85th among 180 nations. This can be the introduction, and here the fact it shows the depth and the context, which in a way will help you fetch that extra mark. Now, the third is the example-based introduction. Let us suppose the question is, what is empathy and why is it important for civil servants? We can actually introduce the answer with a real-life example. In 2013, IAS officer Armstrong Palme mobilized resources to build a road in Manipur, showcasing empathy for this community. Trust me, the stories actually stick with the examiner. Again, it's a very effective way of introducing your answer. Now, the fourth is the anecdote, or let us say the quotation. For a question like, what do you understand by ethical dilemmas? We can actually use a quote of Mahatma Gandhi. The hardest decisions require the most courage. Ethical dilemmas challenge personal values and professional responsibilities. It is the quote which actually add weight to your answers. And finally, linking to the current affairs. For a question like, how does integrity contribute to governance? In the introduction, we can link it with the current developments. For example, the recent crackdown on corruption in Indian states highlights the need for integrity to ensure transparency in governance. Trust me, the relevant and timely examples will make your answer shine. So this is the ideal strategy to write effective introduction. Now you know how to craft a killer introduction. Try it out in your next practice session and ace your ethics.